Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I have something really special to share with you. I'm here in Petersburg, Virginia at this abandoned home that has been neglected for far too long. But guess what? We're about to change that. As you can see, the exterior of the house has seen better days. The siding was rotten, paint was peeling, and overall it needed a lot of TLC. So the first step was tackling that rot. It's important to address the underlying issues before giving this home a fresh start. I spent hours removing the damaged siding and making sure the structure is sound. I've replaced the rotten wood with new, sturdy siding, ensuring that the home will stand strong for years to come. Now, let's focus on the heart of this home, the original kitchen house. This is where a lot of the restoration process is happening at this time. I've been prepping the surfaces, patching up any imperfections, and now it's time to breathe life back into this part of the house with a fresh coat of paint. Painting is like giving a new personality to a home. It's incredible how a simple change in color can transform the character of a home. It's all about those little details. The brushstrokes, the careful application, that's what makes this restoration process so rewarding. And here it is. Progress has been made, but it still has a long way to go. I hope you will continue to follow my amazing journey here in Petersburg, Virginia, and I'm so glad I can share it with all of you. Hopefully, more footage will be uploaded in the next week, and you can continue to follow my progress here in Petersburg, Virginia. Again, thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY projects and transformations. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating.